What's up, y'all? Welcome to something a little bit different. Today, we're gonna be unboxing a new monitor. The monitor I have now is a 1080p, but now I'm upgrading just a little bit, just slight upgrade. It's a 2K. it's a curved monitor. It's by Viewsonic gaming. I was looking at different monitors and on Amazon, this is on sale. But yeah, we're gonna be unboxing the young thing and seeing how beautiful it is. I never had a curved monitor, let alone a 2K monitor. We're gonna have styrofoam everywhere.
So you gotta pull it out evenly, dude.
This is it. The curved boy.
Nice.
Curved monitor compared to the other. That's pretty goddamn big. And it goes all the way to the edge. We got 2 HDMIs and 1 DVI capabilities in the back, nothing special. Then all the buttons, they're on the bottom. Two things I wanted to add about the monitor is that the monitor doesn't tilt or it doesn't like rotate like some monitors do. So it's stuck in place whenever you put it down. And also make sure you keep it away from like direct light, because since it's curved, it's gonna make it more susceptible to glare. When you get to your settings, you want to go to display, then you want to go and scroll down till you see display resolution. Select the recommended 2K resolution. Continue down to advanced display. Go to your refresh rate and put it up to the highest, which for this monitor is 165 Hertz. My monitor was ghosted when I first started playing games, so first I made sure to check the game settings to make sure that they matched the monitor settings, because at first I was playing on different resolution and different frame rate, so I made sure both of those matched first. Then I upgraded my drivers, my graphics drivers, just to make sure that it wasn't that. Doing that, I was able to fix the problem with no problems after. Overall, this monitor is very solid. It shows beautiful, the refresh rate's beautiful, and it's a good upgrade from where I just came from, so I like it a lot. I'll definitely give it a high rating in my book. It's also pretty cheap. If y'all like this video, leave a like, and I hope now that I got this monitor with a little bit better resolution, that my videos will start coming out in better quality for you guys. Thank you so much.